I got the car all loaded up to go to the post office on this rainy Saturday morning. As you see, we got a lot of packages to go out from Whatnot and eBay. Wanted to make sure to get everyone's packages out before the long weekend since the post office is closed on Monday for Memorial Day. We're going to be getting ready for our Whatnot show today. It's going to be on Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be sure to join us at our Whatnot show if you can. It's under Unit Treasures. We're going to have a lot of Disney stuff from everything we've collected from storage units and even my personal collection. Hope everyone has a good Memorial Day and enjoys the time off. I'm going to go and head out to the barn, get these horses taken care of, breakfast, and get their stalls cleaned up. Then I'm going to head in and help my husband get everything set up for the Whatnot show on Sunday. Hope you have a good day.